Welcome back, tech enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into a powerful tool that can transform how you handle asynchronous operations in React applications, JavaScript Generators. Imagine being able to pause and resume tasks effortlessly, making your code cleaner and more efficient. By the end of this tutorial, you'll understand how to leverage JavaScript generators to streamline complex asynchronous workflows, enhancing your React app's performance and maintainability. We'll cover everything from the basics of generators to their integration within React's component lifecycle. This knowledge is essential not just for improving your coding skills, but also for solving real-world problems more effectively. Before we dive in, make sure to subscribe to our channel to stay updated with the latest high-quality tutorials that will keep you ahead in the fast-paced world of web development. Let's get started. Let's start by understanding what JavaScript generators are. Generators are special functions that can pause their execution and resume later. They're defined using the function syntax and utilize the yield keyword to pause execution, which is perfect for managing asynchronous tasks. Picture a generator as a flow of data where you control the flow, deciding when to pause and resume. This control makes them ideal for handling asynchronous operations in React. In contrast to promises or async await, generators allow you to yield control back to the caller multiple times, providing finer control over execution. For instance, consider a scenario where you're making sequential API calls. Generators can help manage these calls more efficiently, reducing boilerplate code and enhancing readability. Now, let's see how generators fit into the React ecosystem. Let's look at a basic generator function to understand how they work. Now, let's integrate generators with asynchronous operations. Here's how you can fetch data using a generator function. Finally, let's set up our project configuration. Imagine a React app that fetches data in real time. As you navigate through the app, you can initiate data fetching by clicking a button. This action triggers a generator function that handles the asynchronous data fetching process. The interface updates smoothly as data is retrieved, showcasing the power of generators in managing real-time data flows effectively. The seamless experience enhances user engagement and demonstrates the efficiency of generator-driven asynchronous iteration. In conclusion, JavaScript generators are a game-changer for handling asynchronous operations in React applications. By understanding and integrating generators into your workflow, you can achieve cleaner, more efficient code that's easier to maintain. As you continue to explore the depths of React and JavaScript, remember that mastering these tools not only enhances your skills, but also empowers you to tackle complex, real-world challenges with confidence. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to subscribe to our channel. We provide clear, real-world examples that accelerate your learning curve and equip you with the tools to succeed in the ever-evolving tech landscape. Until next time, happy coding.